Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Good morning everyone. Shout out sa nag-birthday karong adlaw. Actually, I have a friend, churchmate, and a client who is celebrating her natal day today. Happy birthday to Aileen Tulab de Los Santos Estolioso. Happy birthday, love. Happy birthday, sweet 16. I don't need to mention your age now. I know that you are still very young. Magkaedad raman ta, di ba? Happy birthday to you once again. May this special and blessed day brings you joy, love, happiness, peace, bountiful, and prosperity in your life. I hope and I pray that one day or in the right time, you will gonna reach your dreams, the unreachable dreams in your life. Since birthday mo today, since early this morning pa, nag-inom ko coffee, then I have also macaroni in my table and cake, this one. This is my morning breakfast, macaroni, coffee, this one. Magmerinda usa ako. God bless, love.